Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about the meditation. The Buddha and the Bodhisattvas taught so many ways how to practice the meditation. But all of the countless methods include and three main key factors, which are so simple. And the three main key factors, the first is the relaxation, and the second is watchfulness, and the third is the non-judgmental attitude. To practice these three key factors or these three secrets is more simple than you think. Really. Just imitate a shoekeeper. A shoekeeper in Mahabodhi temple at Bodh Gaya. So what does he do, the shoekeeper? The shoekeeper keep watching whether the visitors are removing shoes outside or not. That's all what he does. He has no hurry, keep watching and doesn't make any judgment. Like the visitors where they are come from and where they will go, he never investigates them. Just he keep watching to the shoes. This way we practice the meditation. Don't be rushed or don't be excited. Just be relaxed, physically and mentally. That is the relaxation. And don't be amused or forgotten. Just be aware and watch yourself. It is the watchfulness or awareness. And don't do any judgment. What kind of thoughts arise inside of your head, let them come and let them go. All the thoughts are just the visitor of the Mahabodhi temple. They will come and they will go. Don't block them. It is not your duty. Just watch. Don't investigate them. Just let them flow the way how they flow. All the thoughts are bites. If you're trying to investigate them, such as where they come from and where they will go, who are they, and what is his name, then you will be lost in the past or in the future with the thoughts. So all the visitors of thoughts, let them come, let them go, be relaxed, just watch with awareness and don't make any judgment at all. This is the way how to practice the meditation. Thank you.